Infatuation scripts review: make him sure and committed to you. No one can understand love who has not experienced infatuation. And no one can understand infatuation, no matter how many times he has experienced it. Infatuation is a feeling that you find someone is perfect, but it would take a couple of months to realize their imperfections. Finally, the reality hits you and you would fall out of love. This is what most men do: they leave when they feel that something's missing from their partner. It is possible if you are capable enough of a change. This does not involve magic or the simple flick of your fingers. It takes time to train you to be the woman which men see as a potential wife. Until then, you will no longer be rejected or pushed away by the man you love. With the help of Clayton Max's infatuation scripts, millions of women all over the world has a committed and loyal man by their side. I'm no different. Because of this program, I found the man I have always been looking for. What is Infatuation Scripts? Infatuation Scripts is a program which focuses on helping out women who were rejected by the man they found to be the one. It's even possible to be with a man in your past relationship when you apply the program's techniques. Clayton Max is a young bachelor, but now married to a beautiful woman. He was once terrified of commitment, but somehow, this woman got him bending his knee and proposing marriage. What made her different from other women? The secret is, a man does not want to be completely in control. Most women let their partner push them around and make them do tasks. But a man looks for adventure and excitement. Let's be straight to the point: a man wants a woman who is in control, a dominant person. But then, there is a balance between the relationship. The man and woman can be in control in certain situations. Clayton Max is saying, don't spoil him by letting him have control over your relationship. Stop having a boss-employee relationship. The reason you even call each other a partner, significant other, is because you treat each other as equals. In Infatuation Scripts, it teaches you 3 basic techniques to lure a man. Curiosity Script. When you meet a man, avoid putting down all your cards. Cards as in, all the information about you. Remember, men love challenges. So, if you're still a mystery to him, he'll have an urge to get to know you more. You'll have more dates and time with him, but at the end of each day, make him guess. Investment Script. The second phase is through making him do more effort than necessary. If he really wants you, he'll make an effort. This is where you'll see how he wants you to like him, and he would do anything to have time with you. Uncertainty Script. A man doesn't always want to be in control. If you play hard to get, then it will definitely drive him crazy. Be in control of the situation, because an independent woman is seen as a sexy and hot personality. Make him guess what is in your mind, and he'll do the rest. Most women merely use these 3 techniques, and immediately got the man they want. But in the program, you will be given 9 more techniques. Contents of the program. With years of research, Clayton Max compiled a total of 12 techniques. 3 was already mentioned, to aid women in their romantic relationship. These methods were proven effective by many women who wrote their reviews about the program. Due to the high demand of infatuation scripts, it has shaken the business industry and psychologists. Below are the 9 methods. Independence script. A man doesn't want a woman who clings to him and asks for his help every single time. They get tired of this routine. But if they meet a woman who is independent, they find it amusing and intriguing. In this method, you'll learn how to step up for yourself and do tasks independently. It may make some men insecure about themselves, but the majority would find it sexy. Intrigued script. In this technique, the main purpose is to make him interested. It focuses on making your relationship interesting, don't bore him. This will also aid you to catch his attention. Sooner or later, you'll see how he texts you a lot. Take note, make him wait when he texts you. You'll drive the man crazy. Cliffhanger script. Like in a book, the reader would feel it's not enough. Meanwhile, after spending time with a man, Make him want to see you again. In this method, you'll make the man think the time we spent isn't enough. Thus, end a conversation as if there is a lot more stories to tell. Make him want to talk to you, you'll see how he would urge to be with you every single day. Barrier script. From the word barrier, it draws a line in the relationship. You can open up and tell about your desires, but he cannot be completely in control. There should still be a thin line on the relationship. It's better to keep that in mind, always. Curveball script. Curveball is more specifically known in baseball. You would think it's easy to hit the ball, but then when it's in close proximity, it would go into a different direction. This applies to your relationship. Make him think he knows everything about you, but at the end, he'll still find you mysterious and alluring. Shaping script. This is a phase where a man's feelings grow stronger for you. When you apply the other method, he would feel attached to the woman who you truly are. The method is changing his outlook on you. He'll slowly get addicted to your simple gestures. Temptation script. In this method, sexual desires will come into play. Even if you don't have the looks but the body or personality, there won't be any problem. You can simply make him want you in bed by using simple but sexual words. This will tease him, and I'm pretty sure he would beg you to stay with him for the rest of his life. Specifically, in bed and naked. Uninterest script. In this technique, your goal is to make him feel he needs to up his game. You'll show that you're paying attention to his efforts, but then, you'll give him mixed signals. Signals such as you want him but he's missing something. Or, you're not sure so he needs to prove more. Urgency script. The last method is by making him panic that maybe, he will lose you. So, if a man really wants you, he will try to find a way to get your attention and make you want him back. What do you get? When you buy the program, you will also receive 3 bonuses to completely make you get the man of your dreams. You'll no longer feel alone. Just make sure to apply the methods and read the following. Commitment Calculator. In this book by Cavallo, he shares life-changing stories and the reasons behind a man's phobia and commitments. You will be aware of what to avoid in order to trigger the man to freak out. One mistake is by obsessing on him until he feels he's wearing a leash. For 5 years, I have done every technique which I thought would make the man I desire want me. But everything I do seems to be ineffective. I would change my looks, put makeup, and talk less. I was more of a submissive person in a relationship. Little did I know that what I'm doing is completely wrong. I decided to seek professional help, and the relationship coach gave me her review of this program. And as soon as I purchased it, I found how it gave me more opportunities than other techniques I have used. Check link in description.